Righty, well then, so this funny looking lad is your Primula Verus or Cowslip, however you want to say it. It's a native evergreen or semi-evergreen plant, depending on where you are in the UK, and it's actually edible. So again, don't eat things if you're a bit iffy, but it's amazing for bees. You always find it in sort of wildflower meadows and on sort of the outside like woodland edges. Oh, if the leaves look familiar, it's because you can see over there they are cultivated primulas. So these were bought from, you know, like a garden centre, nursery type of thing, and then they were put in the cowslip. Just zoom back out there. The cowslip is done, we put these in by seed years and years ago, but as you can see, they're fairly prolific. What they tend to do though, let's point up at the box, I don't want to get in there because there's a load of bramble and other nasties and I've got shorts on. They do, oh, hello Mr. B. They do tend to very readily cross-pollinate with sort of the cultivated species. So that one in the wild, you wouldn't see cowslip with red petals that always come like your standard natives. I've always just got the nice little yellow flowers and the sort of droopy heads. But as you can see, if you're gardening for wildlife, where are you? There we go, a little bee bum. The bees absolutely love them. Brilliant to plant for, like I say, if you are gardening for wildlife, they're perfect to have in your garden as part of like a wildflower area, or even if you're not and you're just looking for something a little bit out there. No, they do really nice. Like I say, the seed like crazy. The name cowslip, it's thought, the etymology's a bit all over the place. It's thought that it came from the Old English cowslip, which turned into cowslop, because they used to always grow in sort of cattle pastures round about the poos. So, you know, they can live in pretty much any soil, but again, they're like sort of drier, nutrient poor soil. Not poor, but soil that they're not going to be outcompeted by things like nettles and thistles and brambles and stuff, because they are, for all the native, they are quite sensitive little lads. In, I think it's Spain or Italy. Spain. The leaves, like the foliage, is used as a salad green, the young shoots, so seeing that there, a bit, old ones are a bit fuzzy there, but the little more baby leaves, like these ones that are curled over, apparently they're nice. I've never tried them. Not really my type of thing. I don't like eating stuff that I haven't either cultivated or planted myself, other than the wild garlic, because God, it was big. Just, I don't know what's weed on it basically, especially down here at Space to Grow. We do have issues with rats and stuff, just because we're so close. Like, we're right on the River Wear. If you look behind that big building over there, what's Sunderland Uni, the River Wear is there, so lots of rats coming up from the river, so I don't mind them. They can hide there, it's their home and all. Don't know what the neighbours think of it though. And went on a bit of a ramble here, but if you've got to plant some nice natives that look cultivated, definitely go for your Primula, because they're absolutely beautiful. Again, mix them with the cultivated varieties. They'll do well anywhere, and they'll come back year on year, and they'll only get better and spread. Right, that was a bit rambly. Cheers anyway if you're still here. In a bit.